Can I finance HVAC repairs? Yes, many HVAC repairs can be financed through a lender, a contractor, or a credit card plan, depending on your credit and the size of the repair. When your heating or cooling system breaks, the repair bill can be hard to pay all at once, and that is why financing can help. Financing means you pay over time instead of all at once, usually in monthly payments. Some companies offer special payment plans for repairs, while others work with banks or loan companies. A useful thing to know is that some repair jobs qualify for short-term zero-interest plans, but only if you pay them off before the deal ends. If you miss that deadline, the interest can jump up fast, so reading the fine print matters a lot. Another thing people do not always know is that emergency repairs sometimes cost more than scheduled repairs because the technician has to come out right away. If the system is old, it can also be smart to compare the repair cost with the cost of replacement, because financing a huge repair on a dying unit may not be the best move. A good action step is to ask the contractor for the total price, the monthly payment, the interest rate, and the payment length before saying yes. One common mistake is only looking at the monthly payment and not the full cost, which can make a repair look cheaper than it really is. A simple tip is to ask, how much will I pay in total by the end? Another mistake is not checking whether there are fees for late payments or early payoff, and those fees can matter a lot. A good tip is to ask for the plan details in writing before signing anything. People also sometimes assume every repair can be financed, but some companies only finance bigger jobs or require a credit check, so it helps to ask early and have a backup plan. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.